Top 12 ChatGPT hot applications in 2023 and what is new in ChatGPT 4. As a language model, ChatGPT has found its way into a variety of applications, making it a hot topic in the tech world. Here are the top 12 ChatGPT hot applications in 2023, along with some interesting stories and examples to excite our readers. 1. Customer service chatbots. One of the most common applications of ChatGPT is in customer service chatbots. These bots can handle simple customer inquiries and route more complex issues to human agents. The use of ChatGPT in these chatbots has led to better conversational abilities and more accurate responses. For example, a major airline company has implemented a ChatGPT-powered chatbot that handles customer inquiries and bookings. The chatbot is able to understand natural language and provide relevant responses, leading to a more seamless customer experience. 2. Mental health chatbots. Mental health chatbots have become increasingly popular in recent years, providing support and resources to those struggling with mental health issues. ChatGPT can be used in these chatbots to provide personalized support and therapy sessions. For example, Woebot is a mental health chatbot that uses ChatGPT to provide cognitive behavioral therapy to its users. Woebot is able to understand the user's emotional state and provide personalized therapy sessions. 3. Language learning chatbots. ChatGPT can also be used in language learning chatbots to provide conversational practice to language learners. These chatbots can simulate real-life conversations and help learners improve their speaking and listening skills. For example, Duolingo has implemented a ChatGPT-powered chatbot that provides conversational practice in several languages. 4. Writing assistants. ChatGPT can also be used as a writing assistant to help with tasks such as generating ideas, providing feedback, and suggesting improvements. For example, the writing app Grammarly has implemented a ChatGPT-powered assistant that provides real-time feedback and suggestions to improve the user's writing. 5. Personal shopping assistants. ChatGPT can also be used in personal shopping assistants to help users find the products they are looking for. These chatbots can provide personalized recommendations and help users navigate complex product catalogs. For example, Sephora has implemented a ChatGPT-powered personal shopping assistant that helps users find makeup and skincare products based on their preferences. 6. Personal finance assistants. ChatGPT can also be used in personal finance assistants to help users manage their finances. These chatbots can provide budgeting advice, investment tips, and help with financial planning. For example, the financial services company Ally has implemented a ChatGPT-powered personal finance assistant that helps users manage their money and make smart financial decisions. 7. News chatbots. ChatGPT can also be used in news chatbots to provide personalized news updates to users. These chatbots can learn the user's interests and provide news articles tailored to their preferences. For example, the news app Quartz has implemented a ChatGPT-powered chatbot that provides news updates and insights to its users. 8. Virtual personal assistants. ChatGPT can also be used in virtual personal assistants such as Siri and Alexa. These assistants can understand natural language and perform tasks such as setting reminders, making phone calls, and answering questions. For example, Amazon's Alexa uses ChatGPT to understand user queries and provide relevant responses. 9. Virtual event assistants. With the rise of virtual events, ChatGPT can be used as a virtual event assistant to help users navigate the event and provide information. For example, the virtual event platform Hopin has implemented a ChatGPT-powered assistant that helps users navigate the event and find relevant sessions. 10. HR chatbots. ChatGPT can also be used in HR chatbots to handle employee inquiries and provide HR support. These chatbots can help with tasks such as onboarding, benefits enrollment, and performance evaluations. For example, the HR software company ADP has implemented a ChatGPT-powered HR chatbot that provides employees with quick and accurate answers to their HR-related questions. 11. Education chatbots. ChatGPT can also be used in education chatbots to provide students with personalized support and resources. These chatbots can help with tasks such as homework, test preparation, and college applications. For example, the education technology company Chegg has implemented a ChatGPT-powered chatbot that provides students with personalized homework help. 12. Healthcare chatbots. ChatGPT can also be used in healthcare chatbots to provide patients with medical advice and support. These chatbots can help with tasks such as symptom checking, appointment scheduling, and prescription refills. For example, the healthcare company Babylon Health has implemented a ChatGPT-powered chatbot that provides patients with medical advice and diagnoses. The use of ChatGPT in these applications has led to significant improvements in conversational abilities and accuracy. ChatGPT 4, released in 2022, has further improved on these capabilities with a larger training dataset and improved language understanding. Some of the key differences between ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 3 include: ChatGPT 4.0 is the latest version of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, language model, released in 2022. It is an improvement over its predecessor, ChatGPT 3.0, and comes with several new features and improvements. Here are some of the key updates in ChatGPT 4.0. 1. Larger training dataset. ChatGPT 4.0 was trained on a dataset that is 5 times larger than that of ChatGPT 3.0, resulting in a model that is better at understanding complex language structures and nuances. 2. Improved language understanding. ChatGPT 4.0 has enhanced its ability to understand natural language by incorporating a diverse range of texts, including literature, news articles, and scientific papers. It can now recognize idioms, metaphors, and other figures of speech. 3. Better conversational flow. ChatGPT 4.0 is better at maintaining context and coherence in conversations. It can now handle longer and more complex dialogues with multiple turns. 4. Zero-shot learning. ChatGPT 4.0 has introduced a new feature called zero-shot learning. This means that the model can now answer questions and generate responses in domains that it has not been trained on. For example, it can answer questions about a topic it has never seen before, like a new movie or a new product. 5. Multilingual support. ChatGPT 4.0 can now generate text in multiple languages, making it easier to communicate with people from different countries and cultures. 6. Improved efficiency. ChatGPT 4.0 has been optimized to run more efficiently, with faster training times and lower computational costs. These new features and improvements in ChatGPT 4.0 have made it an even more powerful language model. Its improved language understanding, better conversational flow, and zero-shot learning capabilities make it more versatile and able to handle a wider range of tasks. Its multilingual support also makes it more accessible to people from different parts of the world. In summary, ChatGPT has found its way into a variety of applications, making it a hot topic in the tech world. Its ability to understand natural language and provide accurate responses has led to significant improvements in customer service, mental health, language learning, writing assistance, personal shopping, personal finance, news, virtual personal assistants, virtual event assistants, HR, education, and healthcare chatbots. ChatGPT 4, released in 2022, has further improved on these capabilities with a larger training dataset, improved language understanding, and better conversational abilities. As for the poem for ChatGPT. ChatGPT, oh ChatGPT. A model of language, so adept. In customer service, it leads the way. Chatbots powered by it, get better each day. Mental health, education too. ChatGPT helps us get through. Writing assistance, shopping and finance. Its capabilities are truly advanced. News and events, HR as well. ChatGPT has so much to tell. Virtual assistants, healthcare too. It helps us in everything we do. ChatGPT 4, a new release. A larger dataset, its powers increased. Improved language understanding and conversational flow. ChatGPT, a language model that continues to grow. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel and please watch more interesting videos here.